What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 20th, 2022. The total crypto market cap is still above 1 trillion. It is down a little bit from where we were at yesterday, about 1.64%. And the 24-hour volume is at 95 billion, so down a little bit from yesterday. I think yesterday was around 100 billion, so now we're down 5 billion from total 24-hour volume. Not bad, not bad. As we can see, market is still doing pretty good right now. Right now, we're just holding a level right now. It's just pretty steady. Bitcoin is up 0.39%, Ethereum up 0.19%. Everything's down very, very small amounts, except for Solana down 6%. Cardano down 4%, or was 4%, now 3%. Polygon's down 8%. This is just kind of a slow setback from where we were at because everything just soared over the past few days. So right now, everything's kind of just taking a little bit of a correction. The top gainer today is Lido DAO, 4%, followed by Monero, Dogecoin for some reason. Don't know why Dogecoin's on there. And then XDC, KuCoin. Yes, pretty bland right now. We're just basically waiting for to see what's going to happen, see what Bitcoin does. But let's get into the news. So going over here to Crypto Bubbles, as you can see, everything is red on the day except for a few outliers, but even the outliers aren't up very much, only 4%, 2%. So not nice to see a bunch of red here, but we did just have a good past few days. On the week, we are still up tremendously on basically everything. Everything here is up. Almost everything is up except for XCN and some stable coins, but everything else is doing very, very, very well. Ethereum Classic is up 68% on the week. I don't really know why Ethereum Classic is pumping over Ethereum. Maybe just, I know the merge is coming and the news is kind of pumping Ethereum. I don't know why Ethereum Classic has been taking such a huge run up over Ethereum. Ethereum is up 40% this week, but why is Ethereum Classic up 68%? I'm not 100% sure. I'm not an investor in Ethereum Classic. I am an investor in Ethereum, but I do still like what I'm seeing in the market. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we were actually at 34, which is higher than we were at yesterday. Yesterday we were at 31. Last week we were at 18. Last month we were at 9. So we are still seeing a very good, strong recovery on the Fear and Greed Index. If this gets into the greedish area, we will start to see some good pumps happening on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, the pump will happen, then the Fear and Greed Index will change. But right now it is still going up, which is a good sign. And going over to the NFT volume, right now we got CryptoPunks up 530%, Moonbirds up 585%, So Rare up another 113%. Look at this one, guys. Tubby Cats, never heard of them in my life, up 45,000%. This is crazy. 45,000% up. Crazy. Going for 13 ETH. $20,000. Crazy. Sorry guys, I'm getting into that a little much. I saw 45,000%. That's crazy. NFTs are actually up a lot today compared to yesterday. Ethereum's up 77% on NFT volume. Solana's up 200%. Flow's up 180%. Panini's up 205%. Amazing stuff right now. Transactions are up huge compared to last videos. So I think transactions for Ethereum are around 30,000 and maybe 50,000 for Solana. So I don't know what released today, but the NFT market is kind of starting seeing a good comeback here. I really like what I'm seeing here. Hopefully NFTs can get revived. Obviously, once crypto starts to pump, NFTs will follow. So right now, I think the NFTs are going up a little bit now because crypto has been pumping over the past week. So some people are taking their profits from last week and putting them into NFTs, and that's why we're seeing huge NFT volumes as of right now. But let's get into the first news story here. We got Tesla sells most of its Bitcoin holdings. So Tesla actually sold a ton of crypto. They held around $218 million worth of cryptocurrency at the end of the second quarter. And now they've sold about 75% of it and turned it into fiat money. Not sure why they would do that. Clearly they see something. Mr. Elon sees something big happening here. I do think another crash is coming, but I don't think it's going to be anything insane. I do think we could... I guess, yeah, I do kind of predict around a $12,000 to $15,000 Bitcoin. So this could be what people are thinking of. So Tesla sold a lot of their Bitcoin. You can see this is actually when they sold, and it kind of dumped down, 3%. It's not great to see that, but I mean, Tesla did have a lot of Bitcoin. I think they profited quite heavily on some of the Bitcoin that they bought previously. So now I don't know what the business plan they plan on doing with the $218 million that they have. But I guess we'll have to see. So them selling that much Bitcoin right now basically did crash the price about 3%. which is not great to see, but this just makes it a better buying opportunity for us retail investors. So on to the next article here. Whale buys $1.7 billion in Ethereum futures, marking the 7-month highest hourly market order. So this is crazy. So one guy or many guys, probably many guys, bought $1.7 billion of Ethereum at the same time. So actually, you can see right here on the chart, there was one giant green candle of buying volume. There was someone bought $1.7 billion worth of Ethereum. Clearly, they see something in Ethereum that we don't. I do think the merge is going to push the price a lot higher than where it's at right now, but I still think it has room to fall a little bit. I don't think the markets have fully recovered from this bear market, but someone buying 1.7 billion in Ethereum, like that is crazy. That's so much Ethereum, especially at these prices. Like if this ever goes to 10 grand, he's going to 10x his investment, which is crazy, almost 10x. But clearly this guy sees something that we don't, and he actually did liquidate some shorts on he or she liquidated some shorts on that buy, which is crazy. So their buy is right here, and you can see they actually did liquidate some shorts. So anyone who was shorting Ethereum got liquidated because one person decided to buy $1.7 billion worth of Ethereum. So that's very, very bullish news for Ethereum. Along with the merge, I am super bullish on Ethereum. I'm not saying to buy right now, just saying long term, I think Ethereum is going to do wonders. On to the next article. This is pretty bad to hear. Celsius was absolutely trading Cell, which is their coin, Celsius, to manipulate the price. So I highlighted this point here as the very first article that I read, or very first sentence I read. So they engaged in potentially illegal market manipulation using customer funds to artificially inflate the Cell token's price. So this is very, very bad news to hear, because basically they're using other people's money to make money for themselves by trading their own coin, which is like kind of something that you would see on like the coin market cap, the really sketchy coins that just be released, like coins like Jungle King Tiger coin. Like this is the kind of insider trading that would happen on coins like this, not on a Celsius coin that is a ginormous platform for crypto, and they're actually manipulating their own currency. That's crazy to hear. I hate hearing about this because they're using customer funds. If you don't know about this too, they're also going bankrupt. They owe $4.72 billion back to customers, but in their terms of service, they're probably not going to pay it back to any of the customers they're owed. So this is a very, very fishy company. I don't think they're going to get revived, and I hope they don't, because this is very bad news to hear. They're manipulating their own coin with other people's money so they can profit out of the whole ordeal, which is so bad to hear. If you have an actual company that does what it's supposed to be, you should never have to do any of this, because your company should be successful enough. You should not have to trade your own currency with other people's money so you can make a profit. Super messed up. I just thought this was crazy. I had to bring this to your guys' attention. Let's get on to the next article. So over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin leaves exchanges, spelling bullish sentiments for Bitcoin. So basically, people are taking their Bitcoin off of centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance and bringing it onto somewhere else that's not on a centralized exchange, so it's something decentralized. So the withdrawal Bitcoins are making their way to a self-custody solutions, which is a decentralized wallet. And Coinbase is the most affected of these exchanges, as it has seen 450,000 Bitcoin leave their exchange, which is crazy. So people are seeing some good. This is actually very bullish for crypto, or for Bitcoin in general. But Bitcoin is kind of the general of crypto, just because there's so much money in it. But this could actually pose as a very, very bullish sentiment for Bitcoin in the future. If a lot of people are taking their Bitcoin off of centralized exchanges, putting on decentralized exchanges, we could see a decent price increase on Bitcoin. Let's see where Bitcoin's at right now. It is up 15% on the week. I don't know when. I do predict a crash, or not a crash, but a drop, another drastic drop. But we do not know when that is due yet. Historically, looking at Bitcoin, I do believe it's going to pump, maybe, potentially, like a 50-50 chance it might do a flash pump, and then it's going to flash crash, or it's just going to go down before it goes up again. Just historically looking at Bitcoin, it always has a pump, like a pump, crash, then pump, crash, pump, big crash, and we had a little recovery, crash. So I think we might pump a little bit more, because we just had a crash, and then we're going to pump and then crash and then have a bull run. So Not financial advice, just saying what I think is going to happen. So yeah, this is very, very bullish for Bitcoin. And on to the last article of the video, we got crypto exchange ZipMex freezes customer withdrawals. So if you don't know what ZipMex is, you probably don't live in any areas that are close to Southeast Asia. This is where the crypto exchange is popular. They actually have a very nice looking website. Apparently they were talked about in Forbes, Bloomberg. Apparently they're very, very big in Southeast Asia. But I, obviously me being in Canada, I don't use this. I use Newton, link in bio, 25 bucks for free. So anyway, they actually did freeze customer withdrawals, citing the volatility in the cryptocurrency market, which, I mean, Celsius did the same thing, and now look what's happening to them. They're filing bankruptcy. So they're actually one of the several firms to block customers from accessing their deposited funds in recent weeks in response to the market downturn. So basically, because the crypto market is not doing very well, even though the past week it's been very, very good, they are now blocking the withdrawals on their exchange. Very bad to see. If someone wants to use your exchange, you should never ever block withdrawals or deposits or anything, because now their trust is basically gone. Well, if this happens once and someone who uses ZipMex sees that their funds are you can't withdraw your funds, why would they want to stay with the exchange? Why wouldn't they just go find somewhere else like Binance? So I'm just saying, so this is not good news to see. So another exchange blocking customer withdrawals. So basically these places they're not doing very well. They want to hold money on their exchange because they are basically at risk of bankruptcy. So this is not good news to see. I really hope the customers get access to their funds and can withdraw it, bring it onto an actual exchange that will let them sell and deposit and withdraw their crypto at any time, no matter the market conditions. Market conditions should have no what's the word I'm looking for? They should not affect your ability to withdraw and deposit crypto in your account on their exchange. Like if crypto wants to crash and you still want to withdraw like your few pennies, you should be able to, right? Just my thought. Of course you should, right? That's what I think. So bad news to see that this is happening. I really hope everyone who has their money invested in ZipMex can get their money out and again put it on another trusted exchange like Binance. I trust Binance. Coinbase is okay. I would trust Coinbase at the current moment in time, but maybe in the future we'll see about that. So guys, that is it for today's daily market update. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments below and I'll try to respond to everyone. If you want to get started investing in crypto, go check out the links in the description. We also have a trading group down there. It's only $50 a month. You will get trade signals on futures, NFTs, spot calls, everything. We even have giveaways in that Discord chat, so go check it out. Only $50 a month. If you guys have any questions or anything, yeah, just leave them in the comments. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias right up here on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.